Hey, and welcome to another episode of Back from the Future, where we like to talk about technology from past, present, and future. Now, today we are going to be talking about Sugru. Now, if you don't know what Sugru is, imagine if glue was mated with Play-Doh. That's what essentially Sugru is. It's like if rubber was soft like chewing gum, and then when it dried it became like a solid piece of rubber. That's pretty much what Sugru is. Now, I've used Sugru in the past. I'll give you an example of this phone holder that I got. It wasn't didn't really grip the phone really well when I originally had it, and my phone would keep sliding off. So I applied some Sugru to it, and now if I pop that on my phone, absolutely rock solid. I could shake this. Pretty much grips the phone so damn well. It's unbelievable. Now I can strap this to my car when I'm doing using it as a sat nav, and it is absolutely brilliant. I've almost got like a little display up there on my screen when I'm driving. Absolutely remarkable stuff, and it's pretty solid. It's got that little bit of give to it, so whatever it's attached to, it kind of like softly forms around and grips it, and absolutely amazing stuff. Now today I've got some repairs to do, so I thought I'd make a little video. Now, this phone is a Huawei P20, and I've got a fast charging cable for it. Now, the interesting thing about it is the fast charging cable, I've not managed to find another fast charging cable that can charge my P20 as good as the one that comes with my Huawei charger. So I wanted to keep this cable in good quality as much as I could. The cables are already started to split and fray, so it's showing signs that it's going to shortly at some point make its way out if I don't take some action. And also I've got my headphones that I did a review on, the Groovy earbuds that I did a review on a few videos back, and I'll put a link in the description to that video if you want to see a review. But what's happened to it is a bit of wear and tear over 3 months, and cable has started to fray in one of the earbuds. So I'm going to be repairing that as well. So without further ado, I'm going to open this pack, and it's always good to buy the multi-pack of Sugru. Now the thing is, I could use also silicone gasket sealant. This stuff's good, but it ain't half messy, and I could potentially use a hot gun as well, glue gun, but again messy as well. But Sugru is actually a lot more easier to use, but it is the most expensive out of the other two options. But in some cases glue gun is fine. I repaired my B&O headphones. I'll just grab them, where I didn't think the Sugru was the best way to go. Let me just find it. It's done so well. In this corner, what had happened is the cup kept falling off, so I used a hot glue gun here and repaired the headphones. These are like $400 or £400, so it's a good thing I was able to repair these. And so let's get the show on the road, and let's get repairing these. Now, one thing I'll say about Sugru is if you're not using it, keep it in the fridge. That way it will stay fresher for longer. And you can use Sugru like to insulate the handle of your cup or a saucer or something like that. Repair shoes and stuff. Rather than always throwing something out, you can extend the life of it by using this stuff, which, you know, makes it invaluable. And I mean, this thing has an operating temperature of between 50 to 180 degrees, I believe, as well. So, and the cure time is about, they say, 24 hours at average room temperature. I'm not going to be like overly OCD about making this look nice. It's just got to be functional. For me, functional is fine. I don't really want it to bother if it looks nice or not. And to be honest, it's like 1 AM in the morning while I'm filming this, so I'm not really fast. I mean, as soon as I shoot this video, I'm going to hit the sack, and then at some point I'm going to get around to editing this video as well. I've also going to be doing a video, and at some point when it's done, I'm going to link it in the corner. I'm going to be using Sugru to repair my 3M6200 headphone face mask using Sugru as well. So we're getting there. Which is left? Yeah, quite a bit. Right, now I've managed to repair this. Right, that's almost done. I've got quite a lot left over as well. So, charging cables are brilliant, extending life charging cables. I think this is what it's mainly used for, but there's so many other creative ideas you could potentially use Sugru for. Okay, that's very well over-engineered. Now we're going to try to do a repair job on the frayed cable on my headset. I mean, these are decent headsets. I use them as my daily driver. So get a bit of Sugru and I will just apply some dab here. The thing is, because of the fact that I've used black Sugru over a black pair of headphones, it's not going to stand out. The repair isn't going to stand out so much. And okay, and there you go. I mean, that will take about now 24 hours to dry, and it'll become fairly hard, but you still have that sort of rubbery texture to it. And yeah, sorry, I'll put them there. Yeah, it's that way. And like I said, almost invisible because it's the same color as the headphones. It won't stand out. And yeah, I reckon I've got a little bit left, so I'm going to go around the house and see if there's any cables. I mean, I've got a power supply actually for this light, and the power supply has a very odd voltage to it, and I can see that at some point the cable's going to get frayed on that, so I'm probably going to put some on Sugru on that as well to extend the life as well. So, and you know, sometimes you can have cables in your house that are for a proprietary bit of equipment that may be really hard to get hold of if you lose them or damage them. So you can always sort of support the ends like I have on here that will extend the life of the cable. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
If you liked this video, please feel free To subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification button and get notified when a new video comes out. Please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please leave comments and let us know what your thoughts and suggestions are for future videos.
And we will see you in the future, if there is one.